I am
Soul Savior.
Hi guys, Mab here and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Mab and I do custom sneakers and DIY videos. Now for today's video, I'm very excited about it because we have a Beaters Jordan 1 Wolf Grey that we will be turning into a custom Jordan 1 Iron Man. And if you'd like to see how I did that, then keep on watching. This pair, because it's really dirty, you can see it's supposed to be white and it shows on the tongue and as well as the laces that it's already gray. Also the yellowing on the sole, so you have to really brush that up. And after that, we'll be taking off the laces and we'll be using this nail polish remover or an Angelus deglazer, as well as cotton balls or cotton pads, so we can remove the factory coating that we've got on this pair before we start painting it out. Alright, so I'm done applying barge cement on the parts that has cracks in it before applying the what do you call this, like the leather putty, and I'm already moving on to this pair, which is more battered. Because as you can see right here, everything on the parts that has a crease has already been peeling off, and I want to keep most of it intact because it's, you know, pretty fucked up with all the little cracks in there. The great thing about it though is that, you know, for the most part it's all good. It's just really this toe box area that's that actually needs some love, a whole lot of love. Now what we're going to be doing is we are going to be gluing the top layer of the leather back, and we would love to keep most, if not all of it, as much as we can, letting that dry for a bit before we apply it back. I'm trying to be really careful with this because I wouldn't want to aggravate the situation and add more damage to it. Just using my finger to press that down, or the bottom of your X-Acto knife. First thing is we're gonna paint this white, so we're gonna be having a clean canvas. Now the white paint has already dried out, and what we're going to do next is we are going to be using Angelus Paint's Fire Red for our base paint for the red parts. Alright, so now we just have to let this dry and put on 2-3 more layers, and just in case I'm not yet satisfied with that, we're going to be putting up to 5 layers of this Fire Red. Now since the other one is dried out, we're going to go back to that and put another layer bore you with that because it's just gonna be the same exact thing over and over times 3 to 5. So I'll get back with you later on. Now we're done with the yellow. We're gonna be applying the shader, like around 2 layers of it, and then this metallic gold once I'm able to open it. In my imagination, it's gonna work, like having layers of colors and effects on it, just like the regular gold from Iron Man. I just hope it works because it's exhausting, you know.
Man, that is gold.
Well, I guess my imagination worked. Alright, so we are gonna be retouching the reds first, as well as painting the outsole sides and the outsole itself. So now we're going to be painting the tongue and the sock liner, but instead of spray painting it, I'm going to be using a flat brush instead, because I want it to be super black. And it saves us time as well for, you know, prep time. Alright, got this pearlescent riot red. Now we'll set these aside and then just poke this out. We got here 4 pieces of 3mm light bulbs, I think, and it's in here. That's the switch. We'll be needing that. Just need to poke that out too. Now the problem is this part. We gotta cut this out. Hold down I have the mask firmly. Then you cut through.
Hold it down. Hold it down every time I run. There's no time to give it up. Take it back forward, then she give it up. And I say the same thing every single time. You're the one best, baby, you're the best.
That's that. We'll just smoothen these out. Gonna be putting this on the shoe. So to keep this in place, I'm planning to use barge to glue the bulb in this hole. And then as well as this one, the thing that holds the battery. And let's see. Great. Let's try this shit out. This should work. See? We can need 2 batteries. It's working.
Work, coming, dirt. So I'm just waiting for the shoelaces to be delivered. Still not here. Ding ding ding. Ding ding ding. Ding ding ding. Ding ding ding. Ding. Ding ding. And there you have it. We're all good. Thank you so much for watching the video. I really appreciate that. And if you did like the video, enjoyed it, or at least learned something from it, please do not forget to hit on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification bell so you will be the first to know the moment I upload a new video. And if you have any comments, questions on what we did, or suggestions on what videos you want me to do next, please feel free to put them all down below or hit me up on Instagram at it's me, Mav. You now have a good one. I'll see you in our next video. Thanks again for watching. Bye-bye! Sneakers videos. And turning into a Jordan 1 Iron Man. Iron Man sneakers. I really appreciate that. Thanks again for watching. Bye-bye.